All right, me and my son are gonna go do a repair on this weed eater. All we're gonna do is just remove the back pull string on it. Picked up another one on Amazon here for like 20 bucks. We're gonna see if it works at all. But I'm gonna show this little guy right here how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, so go ahead and open up the vise. Make sure it's tight. All right, there you go. So here's the piece that we're gonna be changing out here. You see it fits right there, so we're gonna have to take this whole piece out. So instead of trying to pull this out over here and get this all wounded up and spending an hour trying to, I just spend 20 bucks to get another one. There's 3 bolts here that are going to need to be taken out. 1, 2, and 3. So go ahead and take them out. They're gonna be Allen bolts, screw in and screw out, okay? Go ahead and take them out. Oh, you don't want to strip it, okay? You want to make sure it fits in there good, nice and snug, okay? Go. Okay, go to the other one. Okay, go to the other one. I'll let you do that one. Okay, all right, that's it. So now you just take it. Now you're gonna go ahead and put that one back on there.
Like this?
Yeah, you wanna fit it over the other one, right? Now get the screws out. There's 3 screws, make sure you get all 3 screws out. Get all 3 screws out before you do that. Hit it with your purse. Okay. You're gonna put it in there. To ever use that impact to tighten anything down, okay? You're gonna take that bit out and you're gonna put that on the end of the bit and you're gonna go ahead and screw it in with your hands. Make sure it sets well. Other way, righty tighty, lefty loose, and there you go. That wasn't so hard, was it? All right. So now, let's go ahead and get it started. You don't want to know what you're gonna do now? You're gonna learn how to weed eat. Trigger. Push that down. This goes around your neck. Hold on. Alrighty. Cristiano's first mowing experience. Getting them started early.